Hi everyone, and welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today we're going to be making a very simple tassel. And for our tassel, we're going to need one little bundle of embroidery floss and a pair of scissors. And we're going to begin by removing the covers on our embroidery floss like this. And then finding one of the ends, we're going to go ahead and pull it out twice. So for 2 folds like this, and then we're just going to cut that off. And then we're going to cut this in half. Then we're going to grab our floss like this and fold it in half. And we're just going to place a knot here. And I am going to knot this together 3 times. Then grab the 2 ends of your knot and you're just going to give your tassel ends a little bit of a pull like this so that they're nice and even. And then we are going to insert our scissors inside of the loops and cut them as evenly as we can. And then with your other strand you cut, you're just going to tie it around the top, about 3/4 of an inch from your very top. And then you're going to hold the top and your ends, and you're just going to give this a little pull so that it's nice and even. And you can slide this up or down if you want to adjust it. And trim up any ends that don't line up. And then you are done with your tassel. Please let me know in the comments below if you had any issues while you were making this, and I will do my best to help you out. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Lipstick on a Rig. Thank you so much for working with me, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.